You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? We are looking at how to pronounce this word, as well as how to say more interesting but often confusing vocabulary in English, so make sure to stay tuned to the channel. This is how you spell it. Yes, it can be a little confusing, but it's actually quite easy. 18th. So the number 18 with a long in sound, 18, and then add the th sound at the end with your tongue between your teeth. 18th. 18th. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.